this episode of the Geodesy of the Ohum, we will follow great circles north, connecting ancient sites through the Orient and the Occident. Beginning in the Orient, with the Hindu site of the Batu Cave on the Malay Peninsula. From the Batu Caves, we head north on a great circle that brings us upon two of the largest pyramid sites of the Orient. First, we come to the Orient's largest stone pyramid complex of Angkor, Cambodia, where our line crosses the western half of the square canal centered around the Temple of Bayon. From Angkor, Cambodia, this great circle takes us to the site of the largest earthen pyramids of the Orient, Xi'an, China, where our great circle is centered on a large pyramid to the southeast of the modern city of Xi'an. For our next great circle, we will begin in the Occident, at one of the oldest known sites in the entire world, the site of Tiwanaku, Bolivia. Where we find the Temple of the Sun and the neighboring ruins of Pumapunku. The nodes are the two places where a great circle crosses the equator. As this great circle from Tiwanaku crosses its western node, we arrive at the site of Cochasqui in Ecuador. Cochasqui sits just over 3 minutes of arc north of the equator. It is a large earthen pyramid complex near Quito, the capital of Ecuador. Quito was originally called Quitsa-to, which means the middle of the world, perhaps another world naval or world meridian concept, or a literal reference to where in latitude this ancient Andean capital sits upon the sphere of the earth. Here, at the middle latitude of the world, the sun finds its zenith in the sky every spring and autumnal equinox. From the temples and pyramids of South America, this great circle takes us through Central America to the pyramids of Lamani in Belize. our last great circle of this episode, we begin at the site of one of the world's largest known pyramids, the complex of El Mirador in Guatemala. From El Mirador, we head north, with our great circle set to the bearing of 17.00 degrees. From one side of massive Mayan pyramids to another, this great circle passes directly over Structure 1 at Calakmul in Mexico. Crossing the Gulf of Mexico, this great circle passes 6 miles west of the earthen pyramid site of Colomoki in the state of Georgia. Next we come to North Carolina, where this great circle crosses over the mound of Cowie. Coming down the valleys of the Appalachian Mountains, our El Mirador Great Circle leads us to the ancient river city of Marietta, Ohio, where our bearing of 17 degrees finds the earthen pyramid of Mound A in the Marietta complex.